When people team up to start a business, they're looking for a hassle-free beginning. Nobody wants to drown in paperwork. They just want to make sure their personal stuff is safe if the business hits a bump. This is exactly why forming a multi-member limited liability company, or LLC for short, is such a popular choice. So let's talk about how to set it up. And by the way, if you would like to get help in setting up your own LLC, then make sure to reach out to Northwest Registered Agents by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. So, what's a multi-member LLC? It's a business structure allowed by the state that lets two or more people own a company together. These owners, or members as we call them, get to share the ups and downs of the business's profits and losses. But the real cherry on top is the liability protection. This means if the business owes money or faces legal issues, the members' personal assets like your house or car are off limits. It's a way to keep your personal stuff safe from business troubles. One thing about multi-member LLCs is how they're treated when it comes to taxes. They're seen as their own entity, which is great for protecting your personal assets. But for taxes, the LLC itself doesn't pay a dime. Instead, all the income and expenses flow through to the members, who then report it on their own personal tax returns. It's a bit like a partnership where the business's financial wins and losses are shared by the members. Let's talk taxes for a moment because it's important. By default, the IRS sees a multi-member LLC as a partnership, meaning the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses are passed through to the members based on their ownership share. But if you want, you can opt to have your LLC taxed like a corporation, which could save some money on taxes. This decision impacts how taxes are handled and can make a big difference in your pocket. Filing taxes involves a couple of forms. The LLC has to submit an informational return, Form 1065, to let the IRS know how the profits and losses are divided among members. Each member then gets a K-1 form showing their share, which they use to file their personal taxes. Plus, there's the matter of employment and self-employment taxes, which depend on if you have employees or not. When it comes to who can be part of the multi-member LLC, the door is wide open. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, another company, or even someone living in a different country, you can have a stake in an LLC. This flexibility makes it super appealing for groups of people like family members or a bunch of pals to kickstart a business venture together. It's a setup that embraces diversity, allowing a mix of different perspectives and skills to come together under one business roof. And since there is no restriction on the number of members, an LLC can grow with new partners over time. This open membership is a big plus for those looking to expand their business horizons or simply pool resources with trusted individuals for a new venture. When it comes down to calling the shots in an LLC, there are two main paths you can take. If the members are keen on being directly involved, they can opt to manage the business themselves. This hands-on approach means that all members have a say in the day-to-day running of the company, from making big decisions to handling the small ones. On the flip side, if the business scales up or if members would rather not deal with daily operations, appointing a professional manager can streamline things. This option is ideal for members who wish to focus on the bigger picture or invest without getting tangled in daily tasks. Whichever route you choose, it's crucial to make this clear in your LLC's formation documents, setting the stage for smooth sailing as your business grows. Setting up a multi-member LLC can seem like a big task, but breaking it down into steps makes it manageable. The first thing you'll do is choose where to form your LLC. You can pick your own state or another one that might have better benefits for your type of business. Once you've decided on a location, the next step is to choose a unique business name. Make sure it's not already taken and then make it official. After you have a name, you'll need to nominate a registered agent. This person or company will handle all the legal documents for the LLC, so choose wisely. It's also crucial early on to decide if all the members will manage the LLC or if you'll hire managers to do it. This decision affects how your business operates daily, so think it through and then put it into your formation documents. Now, onto the operating agreement. Even if it's not required where you're setting up your LLC, having one is a smart move. It spells out how you'll run your business and helps avoid misunderstandings among members down the line. The next step is getting an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. You'll need this for tax purposes and to open a bank account in your business's name. Remember, the paperwork and the specific requirements can differ from state to state, but generally, you will need to provide the LLC's name, the names and addresses of the members, and your registered agent's details. Even though this might sound like a lot of work, it's essential for setting up your LLC correctly. When you register your LLC, especially with multiple members, you're laying the foundation for a business structure that gives you flexibility, protection, and a clear way to handle profits and losses. Some states are more business-friendly than others, offering benefits like lower taxes or privacy protection. So choose wisely where you set up your shop. But remember, if you plan to operate in states outside of where you're registered, you might need to register as a foreign LLC there too. In summary, forming a multi-member LLC is a smart way to start a business with friends, family, or other investors. It keeps your personal assets safe, gives you options for how to run things, and even offers some tax benefits. Just remember to keep the paperwork straight, make decisions together about how you'll manage the business, and stay on top of your taxes to avoid any surprises. Remember, the journey of creating and running a multi-member LLC is not just about the destination, but about making informed decisions along the way. By understanding your options, responsibilities, and the legal framework, you're setting up your business for a prosperous future. So take these insights, embrace the process, and get ready to launch your business with confidence and clarity. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in setting up your own multi-member LLC, you can reach out to Northwest Registered Agents by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.